In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily end calls with the side button on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and when your phone is ringing, you can easily decline that call by pressing twice at that side button. You can press once and that will silence that call, and that will also turn off the haptics, and once you press at that side button one more time, that will decline the call and that will also lock your device. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.